Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, a wonderful Sunday, the 9th of April. It's sunny, as you can see. I hate the sun. And it's a lazy Sunday. Well, honestly, every day is a Sunday for me, but I hope you all are enjoying your Sunday. I woke up at 1 again because I slept really late last night. I was just having a little family discussion, and then afterwards I couldn't sleep well because it was so cold. Like, I'll tell you one thing about me. I can't survive in really cold temperatures because I'm very warm blooded. I'm warm blooded. But I usually don't. I usually avoid sleeping in air conditioners because, I mean, I'm always so cold. Whenever I wake up, I'm in a weird posture. So, but obviously it was so hot yesterday, so I had to sleep there. But I'm gonna promise myself that I'm gonna wear full clothes because I'm wearing shorts. And from now onwards, I'm gonna wear full clothes and sleep in the air conditioner because it's so cold. It's like sleeping in the Antarctic. I have a few things for today. First of all, I bought a jar of Nutella yesterday, and the lid was open. Yeah, it's so disgusting. So I need to return that and replace it actually. Then I need to print a few things. As I said, my wall, the beads, this rhinestones that I got from my wall were not what I expected. So I need to return that and get new ones. So I need to print a label for that. Then, since my desk is here, as you can see, my teddy bear. His name is Puff, by the way. Puff, and yeah, yeah, he's a customized teddy bear. Anyway, I need to start prepping up for LSAT. I need to do a few chores, talk to a few people, maybe go swimming today because it's so hot and it's a Sunday. So let's start the day and see how it goes, see what we have in store for us today. And yep. Hello, guys. I am the Bling Store, a YouTube vlogger, and here is my bling ring. Well, I have been having a very uneventful day. Like, there's nothing happening. I've just been chilling at home, and now it's almost 7, so it's dark outside, and that is a dream catcher. If you can see, I love decorating my room, and I'm thinking of starting now because, well, I should utilize my time. So I'm going to sit at my new desk. And I'm going to start with the prep that I've been doing since a while without the table, but now I have it, so I guess I won't be able to sit on it for long now. Also, I've ordered a lamp, and it's so cute. Like, it has a light which is like flexible. You can like stretch the neck, get it close to the page that you're reading, or stretch it too far out. And there's also a little fan if like you're feeling hot. Although we have fans and air conditioners in our rooms, but I mean, it's just so cute. What if the light is gone and there's no, like, the air conditioner is not working and it's a scorching sun? You can just turn on the little fan and your face is all cool. So that's really cute. I'm just waiting for it. Apart from that, another weekend has gone, and tomorrow is a Monday. Actually, it's a bloody Monday for a lot of people who have to go to work, who have to go to school. But yeah, I think Monday is the most hated day of the week, almost for everyone ever. But I hope the coming Monday, the Monday that is tomorrow, is good for you. I hope you offices don't come to office today, take a break, or school just there's a holiday at school or whatever, and university says just go for a bunk or something. But as life goes on, there would be another weekend, there would be a lot of other fun things to do. So there's no need to panic or be sad because the weekend is over. There will be another weekend, and I hope you have even more fun than you did this weekend, the next weekend, and I hope you all go on trips and everything. And now I'm going to study. I'm just gonna take out my books now and I'm gonna study, and then tomorrow I'm gonna time myself with the whole the LSAT thing, because it's a very timed exam, like 35 minutes each section, which is not a lot, to be honest, because you have to think a lot, and you have to act, and obviously you need to get the right answer. There's no point of just ticking answers if they're not right, because that would be very, very foolish. So I'm just going to start with that and then see if something interesting is there. Although I have a feeling I'm going to make a video like after this about how tired and taxed I am just after 10 minutes of studying. So let's start. Oh, and one more thing, my mochi is gone. Look how clean. Naughty. Sunday night with this chashmish. Okay, so this is my last video for the night, and I'm not at my usual wall. Actually, this is the bathroom. Sorry about that, but it's just that I was just at my friends, and I'm a little drunk right now. And but I always make the last video to say good night to all of you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Sorry, today's vlog was very small, but honestly, there was not much to do. I was just studying in here and there, but I still managed to whip up the good moments, put them on a video and recorded it, and I'm gonna put it up in a while. So good night, guys. I hope you have a good Monday. Don't stress out because it's a Monday, and all the best, and good night and take care.